Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can use artificial intelligence to improve your quality of life. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. AI has been around for decades, but it has only been in recent years that it has become truly powerful. This is due to the development of new technologies such as machine learning and deep learning, which allow AI systems to learn from data and make predictions. How can AI improve my quality of life? AI can improve your quality of life in a number of ways. For example, AI can be used to automate tasks that are time-consuming or repetitive, freeing up your time for more important things. Personalize your experience, providing you with information and services that are tailored to your needs. Solve problems that are difficult or impossible for humans to solve, such as diagnosing diseases or predicting traffic patterns. Here are some specific examples of how AI is being used to improve people's lives today. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases, and provide personalized care. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars and improve traffic flow. In education, AI is being used to personalize learning and provide feedback to students. In customer service, AI is being used to answer questions, resolve issues, and provide recommendations. How can I use AI to improve my own life? There are many ways that you can use AI to improve your own life. Here are a few ideas. Use AI-powered tools to automate tasks that are time-consuming or repetitive. For example, you can use AI to book appointments, pay bills, or even write emails. Personalize your experience with AI-powered recommendations. For example, you can use AI to recommend movies to watch, books to read, or restaurants to try. Solve problems with AI-powered tools. For example, you can use AI to find a lost pet, diagnose a medical condition, or even predict the weather. The future of AI is still a young technology, but it has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. In the future, we can expect to see AI being used to improve our health, our safety, our productivity, and our overall quality of life. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to make our lives better in many ways. If you're looking for ways to improve your quality of life, I encourage you to explore the many ways that AI can be used to help you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use technology to improve your life.